He's stuck.
Thomas, what are you doing?
What are you doing under there?
How'd you get under there? Thomas,
Is he
are you
stuck?
stuck? You almost got it.
Keep
Keep going. Keep going. Go, Thomas, go.
Keep going.
He scooched like all the way along the wood around the outside of the rug.
He goes fast on the wood.
Is he stuck? Are you going to get in there?
Pull his feet. Pull him. Pull him. Pull him. Help him. Pull. Pull. Grab him. Pull.
Be nice.
Pull.
Oh. Thomas,
Pull.
who's got you?
There. There. Look, you need a little help. Good job, Henry.
Go, Thomas, go. Are you going to go under there?
Henry will show you how to do it.
Oh, watch your head. Go, Henry, go.
Go, Henry. Henry's stuck.
It's a nice little obstacle
Go,
course.
Henry, go. Nice.
Wow, good job.
Yay.
Thomas, where are you going? What are you doing now, Henry? Uh-oh. Be careful with brother, please. Are you going to lay with him? Oh.
The bums.
You guys look very comfy.